Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add bank account in Google Pay. So make sure you watch till the very end because this is actually very simple. Once you head over to Google Pay, you'll see the home screen looks something like this, where there's a button called Add Money. You could simply click on that one and it's going to ask you how you want to add money. You select either your bank account or the credit or debit card and then put in all of the details by which you want to add money. And there you go. That is the first step. The second step is already heading over to whichever bank account you are using. Let's say for the moment you're using Chase bank account. So once you head over to Chase bank account, what you see is that at the very bottom, when you head over to the home page, they say add to GPay. If you are on a Google or Android and you already have GPay available for you, it should already show something like this. So you could just click on add to GPay from there and then buy it, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.